Good morning, students. In our previous class, we learned how to read and write words related to sound of A. Today, we will continue this topic by adding some more words. Yes. B, A, D, bad. B, A, D, bad. F, A, D, fad. F, A, D, fad. H, A, D, had. H, A, D, had. M, A, D, mad. M, A, D, mad. L, A, D, lad. L, A, D, lad. P, A, D, pad. P, A, D, pad. Anyone? C, A, P, cap. K, A, P, cap. L, A, P, lap. L, A, P, lap. M, A, P, map. M, A, P, map. R, A, P, rap. R, A, P, rap. S, A, P, sap. S, A, P, sap. T, A, P, tap. T, A, P, tap. Now all of you write these words in your own notebook and read these words twice a day. Thank you.